going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, in today's video, we're gonna be making a little on and off button that creates like a GUI. So if we click on like the on and off button, it says, hello, this is a tutorial, subscribe. But then when you walk off, you see it's gone. Let's get straight into this video. I'll see you after this.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright, so what we're gonna start off with is, we're just gonna insert the part right now. So we can actually scale it to be like some sort of, I don't know, button. I'll just do like, I'll just make the shape like 1 by 1 by 1. Or actually I'll just make it a little bigger, like 4 by 1 by 4. That kind of looks better. Actually, we can set this to, instead of 1, like 0.4. That looks nice. If you guys hear that, that's my dog, so don't mind that. We'll really hear just like make it flat like that, like 0.05, as much as it can go. And we can actually make this a little better. Like, we can do like, I don't know, like 2, actually, like 2 by 0.05 by 2. That looks way better. Let's bring it up a little bit, actually. All right, so now what we do, we can actually create the on and off sign in the parts. So we can do a surface GUI and put a text label. You can't probably see the text label yet because we'll have to flip this over. And we can make sure text is scaled, and we can say on/off. So let's try and rotate this the way we want it. I don't know where the text is right now, so let's see. I'm looking for the text. It should be right here, I think. So if we flatten this out, let's actually flatten this out. So if we make it big like this, I think we can see it. Yeah, it's like that. So we'll put it down. We'll actually move it up. And then we'll kind of scale it down like that. And then we can make the rotation back to its normal thing. All right, so now that we have the button, we are looking pretty good right now. You have to make sure the part is anchored. Let me go and do that. And we can see, as you see the part, we need to find the Y of the part. So let's copy this Y, 5.23, like 5.23. There we go. Control C. And we go to the text label and put the size of that right there. So if we have the size, I think we can change that right there. That sounds about right, and put it right there. And it's way too big. So let's actually change this to just like 2. That's still too big. I don't think that's the one we changed though. I think it is actually. So we're actually gonna put 0.2. And then we can make this like 40. And then, actually we have to change this. So, let's see. You can set it to 80. Nope. What about 100? Nope. 200 probably? I think 200. Almost over there. 210. That sounds about right. Yeah, there we go. And then we can just set this to 0, not 0.2. Nope, actually 0.2 is good. 0.2. Awesome. So that's our on and off button. I'm just gonna change the color to this thing really quick. Like bright green. So now what we can do, we can create our GUI that's gonna pop up. So we can go into the starter GUI and add a screen GUI. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it like touch GUI. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter because we're not going to do anything with it in the script. Add a frame. And I don't have to put, you don't have to put a big message. You can just kind of have like a tiny one right here. I'm just going to kind of make mine a little tiny, like that. And well, I guess it will pop up right here. So good. Now what we can do in that frame, we can add a text label. That text label is going to be saying like, I don't know, whatever you guys want. I'm just going to be saying like, this is a tutorial. So we can make sure text is scaled, and we can call this, and I'm just going to say this is a Vault tutorial. There we go. Yep, this is a Vault tutorial, and you can change this to whatever color you want. I'm actually going to change this to purple and kind of set the background color to black. Nice. So now that we have that, we can hide this. We can get this frame and hide it, so make sure visible is false. So now what we can do is we can insert a script in the server script service. Insert a script. You can name this script if you want. I'm not. So we can do local debounce, or you don't have to do debounce. You can just do like cooldown, but I call it debounce. Local debounce equals false. And then we can do game.workspace.part, not parent, part, dot touched. Had a little remote, or I don't know, I think that's a remote function. Dot touch colon connect, and then we put function in there, and then in those brackets of the function we put hit, and then drop a line. And we can do if not debounce, then if not debounce, then debounce equals true. And then we can put if game.players colon get player from character, hit dot parent in those brackets, hit dot parent, and then we can put we can put after that like game dot replicated storage dot show. Oh yeah, so we're gonna put in the replicated storage. Let's find replicated storage. We'll just put a remote event in there, and we're gonna name it show GUI. So show GUI like that. Game.replicated storage dot show GUI colon fire client, and then we can put game dot players colon get player from character, and we can put hit dot parent again, hit dot parent. Let me kind of zoom this out a little bit. Zoom it out. Okay, nice. Wait, yes, okay, so we'll zoom that out. And then we can have our end right there. And then we can also put wait 2 under there, wait. So we can put a nice wait 2 seconds, and then we can say debounce, whoops, not there. Debounce equals false. So now that we have that, we can kind of actually move these right here. So we can select these, just these. Okay, whatever. We can just indent those nicely like that. There we go. And then we can put like that and have it with debounds right there. Just nice, want to keep it nice and indented because it makes your code look cleaner and nicer. So then, oh yeah, we have to move these ends down because it's just going to interfere with our line of code. And we don't want that happening. So we can do like Control X. Come on. No, not there. Okay, well that's not good. We can do Control X. And then up here we can do Control V. We can put that bracket and take that away. Nice, and then we can do Control X. Put that there. Oh, that looks good now. And now we can put let's see, what can we put? Now we put in the GUI, in our touch GUI, put a local script. And this local script is going to be game.replicatedStorage.showGUI.onClientEvent :connect function, and then we can put script.parent.frame.visible equals not script.parent.frame.visible. And that's really it. So we can just, you guys can indent over there if you guys want. I'm just gonna actually indent a little like that. Nice. So we can go and play our game right here, and we can travel to our little button, and it says this is a Volt tutorial. And then when we walk off, it shows walk on, this is a Volt tutorial. Walks off, walk on. It's a 2-second cooldown because of our debounce. So if we like on, okay, it still stays like that. Then we go on back, and it's off. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to view more channel content on here. And I hope you like my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.